Hello and welcome to Texgard. Today we are visiting a large detached property deep in the heart of Cheshire. At present, the property's exterior is made up of your standard two-coat render and Tyrolean finish. The property sits on a 2-foot brick plinth, and all of the windows are complemented by sandstone sills and lintels. The previous owners began to part renovate this property, but it seems gave up as the rear elevation has been left as just a scratch coat render. The new owners have recently had cavity wall insulation, so the drilling scars are very noticeable. All in all, this home's exterior leaves a lot to be desired. You will also notice that the reveals around the windows have been left in the same condition as the rear wall. Also, the surround around the front door has been left brick and does not match with the main house. All of these points will have to be rectified before any application can be applied. Because of access issues to both the rear and right-hand elevations, Texgard have arranged for scaffolding to be erected. This work is carried out by Texgard and is always the first stage of any project. The next step is to take care of those issues previously mentioned. Because the brickwork running along the base of the property is in not good shape, a bagging coat has been applied. This is a mixture of sand, cement and adhesive. It refaces bad brickwork and prevents any future spalling. It is applied with a brush. The window surrounds have a top coat render applied to them, and the door surround is rendered so it is in keeping with the rest of the house. The rear elevation has a top coat render applied also. Once the traditional building work issues have been addressed, the masking process can then commence. Everything has to be masked out, including windows, doors, guttering, downspouts and so on. Driveways and garden areas are also masked out. Nothing is left to chance. You'll even notice that the brick plinth as well as sills and lintels are covered. This is because they're going to be picked out in black smooth later on, and it's important that they are protected from the main house coating, which is a textured finish and in orchid. Once the render has dried out and the masking completed, a base coat waterproofing primer is applied. This can be applied either by brush, roller or spray. The brushing method is the most widely used as it enables the applicator to get into all the nooks and crannies. As you can see, the coating is very viscous by nature and resembles conventional paint in no way whatsoever. It comes in 20-litre drums. This property will need more than 1,200 litres to treat it. Once the primer has begun to dry off, the top coat can then look to be applied. Industrial spray equipment is used here to ensure the coating is applied under high pressure. Again, you will see just how carefully the guttering and fascias have been masked out. Well, the job's finished. The masking has been removed and the scaffolding is now coming down. The colour scheme chosen here was orchid coarse with a smooth black trim. To get a better idea of just how bad the condition of this property was before we arrived, let's use the magic of television to remind ourselves. As you can see, the change is pretty radical. So if you feel that your home could benefit from the Texgard treatment and you would like to know more, then please contact us today. All home surveys are free and without any obligation. Telephone Texgard on 0800 781 4135 or just go online at www.texgard.com and fill out an online form. Thank you.